Everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are gonna lighten and brighten the skin. We're gonna get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now, we all know hyperpigmentation is one of the most common skin issues, and we have a remedy for that. I am going to show you how you can use some natural ingredients to get rid of your hyperpigmentation. Not only to get rid of your hyperpigmentation, but also to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads, to also clear the skin overall for a more brighter, natural glow to the skin. So if you're interested in this video, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on the skin. Before I enter the kitchen, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. We offer a wide variety of videos on how to take care of your skin naturally, and we also have our own skincare line, Khichi Beauty Skincare, and you can find our products on ALESMAXii.com. Look right here, we're going to place it right here for you. So subscribe if you're new, and if you're an oldies and you're not getting our notification, unsubscribe and subscribe again. Another thing I'd like to ask you all to do is to watch the video to the end. One question I have for you before I get in the kitchen is, what else would you add to this recipe? Is there an ingredient out there that you know that can also help to lighten and brighten the skin that you could use in this recipe? Now follow me to the kitchen and we're gonna whip this up, and don't forget, watch the video to the end. So to lighten and brighten the skin, we're gonna start off with turmeric. I love using this on my skin. The first time I used turmeric on my skin, I was blown away. I couldn't believe how fast it worked on my skin to lighten and brighten. Ever since, I've been using turmeric, and I also make an entire skincare collection around the turmeric because I so believe in it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a dash. You don't need a lot. This is about a half a teaspoon or so of the turmeric powder. If you have fresh turmeric, go ahead, grate it and extract the juice. Now take a look. Here I have my second ingredient, and this is milk. I warm the milk. Milk contains lactic acid that helps to lighten and brighten the skin. When you mix the milk with the turmeric, it's going to create a very powerful skin brightening remedy. So I'm going to take, to begin with, right about 2 tablespoons of the hot milk. Make sure the milk is hot because we're totally brewing the turmeric in the milk. And we're just going to mix it in, blend it in. And I'm telling you guys, you can use this turmeric and milk to wash your face daily for getting rid of acne prone skin, blackheads and whitehead, for a smooth skin. If you don't want it to stain, just mix it the way I'm mixing it with the hot milk, and you're on your way to gorgeous looking clear skin. Totally believe in this recipe. So once we have our milk and our turmeric together, we are going to put it aside and introduce another ingredient. Now take a look at my next ingredient. This is cornstarch. So today we're using the cornstarch for a skin tightening properties. We're going to clear the skin. We are going to tighten the skin. So how we're going to make this cornstarch, we're going to reach for a small bowl, and we're not using a lot of the cornstarch because it gets really thick easily. So about a teaspoon of the cornstarch. What we're going to do, we're going to just, give it a little mix. We're going to reach back for our turmeric and milk mixture, and we're going to pour this in while it is still very much warm. And now we are just going to blend it in with the cornstarch. Totally dissolve the cornstarch in the mixture. Just totally dissolve it. Keep mixing. If the milk is not hot enough, then you might need to put this on a double broiler to get this a little on the thicker side. So just keep mixing. And I think my milk was not hot enough, so I'm going to place it over some hot water. So here I have some hot water. And I'm just gonna place my bowl. Let's see if I have enough. I could add a little more. No, that's good enough. And I'm just gonna keep mixing because we're thickening up this mixture. We're making a skin brightening facial with the milk and the turmeric. As I said, you can use it on your skin as is to wash your face daily with it for bright skin. Now you can also use it as a facial mask to lighten, brighten, tighten and firm the skin, and this is what we're making right now. We're making the facial mask. So just continue to mix, and this is gonna get a little thicker. So we're just gonna keep stirring, and as you can see, it's getting thick. This is exactly how you want to do it. You can also choose to place it in the microwave for about 5 seconds. Now once this is done, this is good enough. Let's remove it. It's gonna be warm, be careful. And take a look at it. This is it. This is the mask that you're gonna use on your face, all over your face. Now we're gonna add a little bit of oil to this, just a dash of my star anise oil, because this also helps to tighten the skin. It's an essential oil, you do not need a lot. So I'm using 1, 2, wait, let me get another top. 1, 2, 3 drops of the star anise oil, and we're just gonna blend this in. And now once this is done, we're gonna put this aside to cool. You really need to let this cool before you put it on your face. It's gonna get a little thick, so you don't want it to be cold. You want it to be at least warm. And let's put this aside. Then I'm gonna show you how to use it. Once the mask is cooled, let me do a quick demonstration here, guys. You're gonna apply it on your face like this. Now take a look what I'm gonna show you here. When you apply this mask on your face, I want you to exfoliate your skin with it like this. So just exfoliate your skin. Circular motion, exfoliate all over the skin. Yes, it's a mask, but we're exfoliating first. Now once this is done, then you're going to leave this on your face. Also, you can use it on your neck for at least 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse off. When you rinse off, reveal clean, clear, bright, glowing skin. Look at that. Let me rinse this off. Stay right here. Look at this brightness. Look how clear my skin is. Love it, love it, love it. Now use this up, guys, because we have milk in it. We do not want you to store it. You probably could store it for a day or so, and then you toss. Looking to lighten and brighten the skin really fast, this is your recipe right here. Now if you're interested in more turmeric products, I have a collection of turmeric products on my website. I'm going to put it right here, ALESMAXii.com. So go ahead and check it out. We have masks, we have serums, moisturizer, we have creams, we have facial polish. Just check it out, okay?